Hey guys, it's Farhad here, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a perfect Facebook ad. And when you are new to dropshipping business, Shopify dropshipping business, and you know what, you don't have time or you don't have budget to do test after test after test, and if you do that, you will lose a lot of money. So you have to find a winning offer, and you have to set up a perfect ad campaign so that you don't lose your money, but you get a lot of sales. And when you want to do that, there are only a way, and that is spying on winning ad campaign. But how to find a winning ad campaign, how you can do that? And in order to do that, there are a lot of spying tools, and you can get a spy tools from the market. And usually a spy tool costs around 300 US dollar per month, but you can do it free, you can do it manually, and I am going to show you the method. So first of all, when you go to facebook.com, and you know what, when we do Facebook dropshipping is Shopify dropshipping business, we always drive traffic from Facebook. So you will have to search a winning ad campaign from Facebook. And when you do dropshipping store, there are already a lot of products in your store, but you always find for a trendy offer, a good quality offer which is already viral, or the ad copy is already viral and popular, and a lot of people are buying the products from the post, and you will have to find a post like that one. Okay, so if your niche is tech gadget, or if you sell watches, or if you sell bike related parts, or anything that is related to your niche, you will have to find a offer related to your niche. Okay, so the strategy is, when you go to facebook.com, a very simple strategy, and you just search with this keyword order here bit.ly, and you can use another keyword like order here bit.ly or goo.gl, or get yours here goo.gl, or get yours here bit.ly. Okay, so these are very simple, and these are the same keywords, and every store owner use these keywords in their ad description. So you just find the offer, and you just search with this keyword in your Facebook, and you will find a lot of, you will get a lot of quality offer that is already viral in the market. Okay, so you see there are a lot of offers already are coming, and if you select the C wall, and you will find a lot of offers. Okay, and what we can do, my strategy is I select the videos, and you see HD 18x lens, and it's already over two. You see the video numbers here, and this one is already over 3 million views, and free shape beep with purchase. Okay, let's open this one. Or you see this has already over 3 million views. HD vision glasses. I mean, you will find a lot of products, lot of good quality products, which is viral, which is very good, and you can get a product related to your niche. Okay, so let's see this one. This one is a tech gadget related product, and it has already over 3 million views, already 3 million views, and you see it has over 1000 shares. I mean, when you want to get a winning ad copy, you always look that at least minimum 100 comments and minimum 200 plus shares. when a video when a video ad has more than 100 comments and 200 plus shares, that means the product is really good, the ad copy is really good. That's why people are discussing about the product in the comments, and that's why the people shared this ad copy with their friends. And so that's the way you will find a offer. Okay, so this is a video. You simply download this video and you will use the same video in your Facebook ad campaign. Okay, and here is the product. Let's click on the product. Let's see. Okay, this is the product, and the product name is Solo Razor, and the store owner is selling this product for 36 US dollar. Okay, let's copy this product name, Solo Razor, and let's go to AliExpress. I mean, if you want to sell the same product in your store, then you will have to import the product first in your store. Okay, so go to aliexpress.com and search for Solo Razor. Okay, and you see this is the same product, and the store owner is selling this product for 36 US dollar, and you see the product price is only $10. And there is another product. I think this is the same product for US dollar. Just search for free shipping offer. Okay, processing time 7 days, e-packet. Okay, so this product is 11.96 and it's free shipping, or you can select. Let me show you this one. Okay, what I want to understand you, if you want to sell this product, just click on this overload button, and you already use this plugin in your store, and also add this extension, overload extension, in your Chrome, so that you will get a plugin, you will get an option to add this product to your store. Just click on this and it will be directly imported to your website. So once you have the product in your website, now you need to create a Facebook ad copy. All right, so you see, this is the product and this is the ad copy. You can clearly see the ad title, ad copies here, and you can use the same ad copy in your Facebook ad copy, and you can download this video. If you don't know how to download this video, just visit this site en.sevfrom.net and just paste the link. Okay, now just click on the download button and the video will be downloaded in your PC. Okay, so just use this video and do the same. Okay, so now the second option is what will be the location, and in order to know that, I mean, how you can know what will be the location or what will be the interest. Okay, so you see who commented on the post. Let me show you with another ad copy so that I can clearly understand you how this work. Okay, so this one is another product, and this is related to Tech Gadget product. And you see here the product video has already more than 3 million views and already more than 13k shares, 7k comments. That means this product is really good. That's why so many people left their comments, so many people shared this product. And once the same way, you see the product here. First of all, you see the product and import it on your website first, and you see this is motorcycle handlebar mount phone. Just copy this title and let's search on AliExpress. Let's see we can find or not. Motorcycle handlebar phone mount, and you see this is the same product, and the product owner is selling this product for 13 US dollar, and the product price is, you see, only 4 US dollar, and they also charges for maybe a few dollar for shipping. Okay, so the product price is 4 US dollar, but they are selling for 13 US dollar, and you can sell it for more prices or lower prices. It's on you. I don't know how much profit you want to make. Okay, so when you have the product, and just click on the overload button and it will be imported on your website, and once the product is in your website, just collect the link and you download the video, download the same video, and you will use this video and you will use this ad copy. This is the ad copy, and you can insert emojis. And if you don't know how to insert emoji, just search on Facebook emoji. Okay, Facebook emoji, and this is the website get emoji. This one is also very popular, and you see there will be a lot of emojis. Just select any of this and you will get the code. Okay, and there is another one, this one here. Okay, I mean if you want to use this one. Okay, there you can see, just copy, no need to copy any code. Just right click on this. Here you can see, right click on this and just copy, and then just paste here. Okay, so this is the way you can insert emoji. So you got a winning Facebook ad video, you got the proven ad copies. Now what will you put in the interest? Okay, the strategy is I mean the spy tools give you every information like ad copy, ad data, and interests, location, everything, but you don't know what will be the locations you are going to target and what will be the interests. All right, so the strategy is when a viral offer and lot of people shared this video and lot of people commented, and your work is just visit their profile and check where they are from. I mean where are they are coming and where in which city they live in, and you will get ideas and you will know what to select in the interests. Okay, so like this one, this is a customer. Okay, I need to get on of this. That means this one is a customer and he desperately needs this product. Okay, got on, love it, works great. So that means he already bought this product. Here you can see you just open a few Facebook profile so that you will clearly get some ideas about interests, and you will get ideas about locations. Okay, so first profile, here you can see Russell, and he is from Maryland, and so that you can get some idea about location and what are her interests. And if let's check on another profile. This guy loves a bike, and he is from Pennsylvania. Okay, so you again get some ideas about locations and you get some idea about interest. He really loves bikes, and if we can find the bike name so that we can target this name in the interest, so that means who loves this kind of bikes, and they can be your potential customer. Okay, this is the way you can gather some data. I mean the more research you do, the more exact data you will be getting. Okay, so the next user is Randy Johnson. This guy also love bikes, and that means and where is he from? He haven't shared profile information, and maybe okay, another profile, Lynn Timman. These guys are usually from the US all I can see, and they are really interested in bikes, and like they love BMW bikes, or they love Kawasaki bikes, or they love bike groups. And there are another way to find interests, like if we select more and events, if he goes in any events, so you will get some idea. Or groups, like here you can see groups, hot groups he joined. Here you can see we write Michigan motorcycle classifiers, and we write Michigan, so that you can use these keywords in your interests, and you will get the exact audience to promote your ads. And you also find the locations, I mean the exact location, like Maryland or Pennsylvania. You can add this in the location, and you can only target these people, and in this way you can make a very good quality Facebook ad, and the video is already viral here. So you don't have any chance to waste a lot of money, because this video is already viral. You just use the same video, and you just target the same people, the same interest, and you will be getting a lot of views, a lot of clicks, and you will get a lot of sales. So this is a very simple way to do a Facebook ad campaign by spying on a already proven Facebook ad, and you do the same, and you will be making a lot of money by selling your product. So I hope this video will help you a lot to find uh, the real offer, and you can do the same in the Facebook ad. Okay, thank you very much.